In this video, we're going to analyze Rei's quote from Hokuto no Ken. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
てめえらの血は何色だ
So today's quote is てめえらの血は何色だてめえらの血は何色だてめ means you in a very aggressive and rude way, and ra is a suffix which makes it plural. So てめえら means you all or you guys. There is another similar suffix which is tachi, but with てめ ra is more commonly used than tachi, as ra also implies the speaker is looking down on the people, so it's often used with disrespectful pronouns like てめおめ貴様 and so on, whereas tachi doesn't have that kind of nuance. No is a possessive particle, and chi means blood, so てめえらの血 means your blood. And wa is a particle which indicates the topic of the sentence. 何色 is combined with 何 meaning what, and the suffix 色 meaning colors. So 何色 means what color. By changing the suffix, you can modify the question. For example, 何人 meaning what nationality, 何語 meaning what language, and 何味 meaning what flavor. Remember that you read it as 何, not 何. It's read as 何 when it's attached with a counter suffix, such as 何時 meaning what time, 何歳 meaning how old, and 何人 meaning how many people. Lastly, da in the end of the sentence which contains a question word like 何, 誰, どこ, and so on, is used to demand information in male speech, which often sounds strong and authoritative. For example, when a teacher finds cigarettes in a student's bag, he would say, これは何だ, meaning, what is this? Or when a boss in the office is looking for his subordinates Yamada, he would say, 山田はどこだ, meaning, where is Yamada? So today's quote, てめえらの血は何色だ means, what's the color of your blood? That's all for today. Thanks for watching.